feeling in the back. Let's believe it. Everybody know that I'm back.
Hi everyone! We're excited sa lahat ng mga mangyayari mamaya kasama yung AGI team. Kaya, home to you!
We're excited guys kasi this is our second gala night sa FCI and kasama ko yung mga beautiful na MC and abangan nyo yung mga ganap namin tonight!
Let's get it. Get down. Let's go.
Hi AGI team! So we're here at F1 Hotel at BGC and right now mag-celebrate kami ng gala night together with our FCI family and abangan nyo, nakaka-excite kasi maraming awards, maraming achievements yung mga teammates natin and madaming hakot na mga prizes kaya wish you were here sa susunod, kasama ka na namin.
Hi everyone! Sa lahat na nakakapanood ng video na to, wish you were here and sobrang saya ng experience. And syempre, lalo na kung may partner ka, talagang nakaka-excite na pinita ka ng pera mag-enjoy.
Hi sa mga kabaro natin and AGI Associate, welcome to our community and right now nandito tayo sa ating AGI Gala Nights and welcome kasi isa kasama na akong nakakapanood ng video na to. I'm sure next time kasama ka na namin. Congratulations!
Hi, good evening. Nandito kami ngayon sa F1 Hotel. This is our first time na umaten ng Gala Night for this time. Sobrang grabing daming tao na umaten. Sana makasama din namin kayo for the next Gala Night.
Hello, first time ko rin na gala night dito. Sana makasama mo rin yung iba na yung
So, sobrang ganda ng mangyayari dito sa F1 Hotel. So, dapat next time, i-push mo na ikaw naman yung nandito, kasama ka namin na mag-enjoy.
Hello everyone, I am Staff Sergeant Francis, Darren Francis from Philippine Army. I'm here at FCI Gala Night and we are excited to be there with me is my wife, gorgeous wife. And we are excited to attend with this significant activity for this evening. That's all, thank you.
Hi sa lahat ng mga OFWs sa AGI Corp. Andito ako sa F1 Hotel. Nakauwi ko ng Jeddah and now nag-attend ako ng Gala Night and sana next time kasama kayo.
be a long one. I'm brushing the dust off, took the high road for the trust fall, and I'm feeling unlimited.